Hi, hello friends, this is Dharanz. Welcome back to my channel once again, Code with Dharanz part 7 video. In this video, what we're gonna see, where to learn C#. In previous video, I have taught you where to learn JavaScript. Like JavaScript, C# is also a huge concept to cover. Our main motive is to cover lots of MVC concepts. So I can't cover this C# and JavaScript basics. That will take quite some time. That's why I am giving suggestions to you where to learn C#. So let's get started. When you asked me where to learn C#, the first and foremost, I am thinking this video link. Learn C# basics in 1 hour C# tutorial for beginners. This author is Mosh Hamidani. He is fantastic to teach others. In this video, he has taught the basic to advanced level C#. In this video, you can get the C# versus .NET. What does it mean? Common language runtime CLR. What is the architecture of C#? How can you debug the C# application in a console and a .NET framework itself? So go and check this video. It will definitely help to you to learn C#. This video helps me to learn C# in an advanced level. The next one is Learn C# for beginners, the Microsoft official website. Microsoft Virtual Academy, Bob Tabor's Fundamentals Absolute for beginners. In this course, this is not kind of video, this is kind of course, but you no need to register, you no need to bid anything for it. You can get this course as free. That's a fantastic thing about it. I've learned C# in advanced level. I've mastered C# with this video. In this course, you can get course introductions and course with the minutes, and each and every course ends, you can get an assessment for it. You can try it and upload a discussion to you. Here you can comments and information about this video, how long it video take, what are the things that he can learn from this video. Every information will be cut and clear. Always information will be there. Go and check this video too. I've described those video links in a description. Go and check it out. These video links that we have seen so far, these are all in a video format. If you want to learn that in a theoretical format, we have tutorial point C# tutorial. In this tutorial point C# tutorial, you can learn all concepts, principles, functions, fundamentals of C# in a theoretical way. If you go and learn data types, type conventions, you can have in this in a text format. You can copy and paste it. If you have any doubt, you can debug it with the previous video too. You have to learn C# in a short period. You should try this tutorial point and these 3 links. If you learn C# with these 3 links, you can be master at C#. You can teach C# to others. It will lead you to learn C# in a short time period. I've learned by this way. That's all about guide for this video. In this video, I make sure this video is useful to you. I'll meet you in the next part 8 video. In this part 8, what we're gonna see, we're gonna get into the development of MVC. Just don't forget to approach and follow my videos. Okay guys, in this video will be definitely useful to you. Then if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe and share this to your friends. It will definitely help you. So thank you. I have uploaded my Tamil version of this video. The video link is in the description. Go and check it out too. My Instagram, if you have any queries, you can contact my Instagram page. I'll upload the page link in a description. Go and check it out too. I'll reply all of your comments, all of your messages. So thank you.